When it comes to protecting your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, finding the right case is essential to keep your device safe without sacrificing style or functionality. Given the phone's unique foldable design, it requires a case that offers not only durability and drop protection, but also compatibility with its folding mechanism and expansive screen. In this guide, we'll explore the best Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 cases available, highlighting options that range from rugged, full-body protection to sleek, slim-fit styles. Whether you're after heavy-duty defense, added functionality, or just a touch of elegance, there's a perfect case on this list for every Galaxy Z Fold 6 owner. Number 1. MOBOSI. The MOBOSI case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 brings a blend of rugged protection and thoughtful design tailored specifically for the unique needs of this foldable phone. Here's a closer look at what makes this case stand out. The MOBOSI case is crafted exclusively for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, providing a snug and precise fit for this foldable device. It includes a built-in magnetic hinge protection, adding an extra layer to the hinge without affecting screen responsiveness, a big plus for those concerned about wear and tear on this sensitive part. The case also features a dedicated slot for the S Pen, not included, accommodating either the Z Fold 5 or Z Fold 6 S Pen perfectly. This attention to detail in compatibility ensures that the S Pen is secure without being too tight or loose, which makes it convenient for users who frequently use the pen. One of the standout features of this case is its compatibility with MagSafe and other magnetic accessories. With 38 N52SH magnets built into the case, it allows users to use magnetic chargers, card holders, car mounts, and more. However, it's worth noting that some magnetic chargers may have difficulty with alignment when the phone is fully open due to the hinge design. Still, the versatility offered by this magnetic setup opens up a range of accessory options, enhancing the functionality of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Number 2. FNTCASE. The FNTCASE for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a compelling option for users seeking a balance of style, functionality, and robust protection. Here's a closer look at the standout features and benefits of this case. Equipped with 38 powerful N52 magnets, the FNTCASE offers exceptional magnetic attraction, rated at 2,400 GF. This strength, roughly 7 times that of standard cases, provides a secure grip for magnetic accessories and ensures stable positioning during wireless charging. The case is compatible with Qi wireless chargers and various magnetic accessories, such as mounts and chargers, without affecting signal or charging efficiency. This feature adds convenience, especially for those who frequently charge their device wirelessly or use magnetic mounts. The case is thoughtfully designed with a dedicated S Pen slot, making it ideal for Galaxy Z Fold 6 users who rely on their stylus. Its ultra-slim profile and frosted matte finish give it a sophisticated look and feel. The matte coating provides a smooth, lint-resistant texture that avoids the stickiness common in silicone cases, making it easy to slide into pockets. Additionally, the nano antioxidant layer resists stains, sweat, and scratches, ensuring the case maintains its sleek appearance over time. Number 3. TORRAS. The TORRAS magnetic armor case is truly multifunctional, integrating a kickstand, magnetic capabilities, and hinge protection into one compact design. The built-in kickstand within the hinge cover allows the phone to stand upright in either vertical or horizontal positions, perfect for hands-free video calls or movie streaming on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 expansive screen. This versatility eliminates the need for multiple accessories, adding convenience without bulk. Despite the Galaxy Z Fold 6 lacking built-in magnetic functionality, TORRAS has included a second-generation magnetic ring in the case that aligns perfectly for seamless compatibility with MagSafe and other magnetic accessories. This magnetic connection is secure, ensuring your phone stays in place whether you're using it on a magnetic charger, car mount, or any other MagSafe accessory. The secure alignment adds a new level of convenience for Galaxy Z Fold 6 users who want the benefits of a magnetic ecosystem. Built to exceed military-grade protection standards, this case is designed for durability. It includes reinforced hinge protection, a 3-ply cushion bumper along the edges, and raised bezels around the screen and camera. These features work together to protect the phone from drops, scratches, and impact damage, making it a solid choice for users who want serious protection. Number 4. Ringke Fusion. The Ringke Fusion case has a crystal-clear polycarbonate back panel, allowing the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 original design to shine through. The clear back is paired with a flexible TPU frame, which not only provides added protection against impact but also complements the case's slim and sleek design. This case is ideal for users who prefer a low-profile look that highlights their device. Ringke brings the benefits of MagSafe to Galaxy Z Fold 6 users by including built-in magnetic compatibility. This allows seamless pairing with MagSafe chargers, car mounts, and other magnetic accessories, which is a rare feature in many Galaxy Z Fold cases. Users can enjoy the convenience of quick magnetic attachments without worrying about stability during charging. Precision-cut openings ensure that every port, speaker, and button on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 remains easily accessible. The case's cutouts provide additional protection by minimizing the risk of dust and debris accumulating around these areas. Plus, the case supports wireless charging, so you can charge the phone without needing to remove it from the case. The TPU frame of the Ringke Fusion case absorbs shock, while the polycarbonate back adds sturdiness, making the case resistant to accidental drops. Ringke has also included a lanyard hole to prevent drops by allowing users to attach a wrist strap or lanyard, adding another layer of security when holding the phone. Number 5. MOBOSI. The MOBOSI magnetic case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a fantastic option for those seeking a sleek, protective, and MagSafe-compatible case for their foldable device. It brings a blend of style, functionality, and protection tailored to the Z Fold 6's unique design. Here's a detailed review of its features. With built-in 38-strong N52SH magnets, this case is fully compatible with all MagSafe accessories, a standout feature for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 users who want to enjoy the convenience of magnetic wireless chargers, card holders, car mounts, and ring holders. The magnetic system aligns perfectly, ensuring your phone stays firmly in place even when charging or using a mount, adding a layer of convenience that's rare in Galaxy Fold cases. The magnetic case goes the extra mile in protecting your device with a built-in 9H tempered glass screen protector. This added screen layer, along with raised lips around the camera lens, keeps your Z Fold 6 safe from scratches and surface damage when placed face down. It's a great choice for users who want comprehensive screen and camera protection without the need for additional accessories. The case is designed with a hard back and flexible frame featuring shock-absorbing corners, which work together to shield your Galaxy Z Fold 6 from impacts and drops. Despite its rugged qualities, the case maintains a slim and lightweight profile, avoiding the added bulk typically found in highly protective cases. This ensures your phone remains easy to carry while benefiting from reliable protection. In conclusion, the best Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 cases offer a blend of protection, functionality, and style to suit various needs. If you prioritize slim design with reliable drop protection, cases like the Spigen Tough Armor or the Caseology Parallax are great choices. For those who want added features such as kickstands or pen holders, the Subcase UB Pro and FNTCASE 2-piece durable hybrid cover are top contenders, providing practical extras without compromising durability. The Hensingpool case also stands out for users who prefer a sleek look combined with MagSafe compatibility. Overall, each case offers unique advantages, so choose one based on your preferences and how you use your device. With the right case, your Galaxy Z Fold 6 can stay protected, functional, and stylish for the long haul.